emerge at the mile race. Good luck to all of you. Race number 7. They're off. Queen draws for your lead, moving up on the outside, Strike Force. Then in between the runners, Devil Rising, Cool Reception is on the farther outside, and comes Aim to Please by the rail. Running alongside, Dugo's Favorite, followed by My Exam Lady. On the farther outside, Mega Drive by the rail. Live in Manila on the outside, Super Elegant. Then comes Island Friend, and Hard Power is bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 900, two runners parting it out for the lead. Devil Rising running by the rail, drops back in second is Cool Reception, down in third is Queen, is Strike Force down in fourth, followed by Dugo's Favorite, My Exam Lady, Mega Drive moving up alongside Super Elegant. Island Friend comes next, running alongside Live in Manila, Aim to Please second last, and Hard Power is still running at the back of the pack. About to pass the last 600. Devil Rising still leading the field by about a length. Running in second still is Cool Reception. Queen moving up on the pattern outside. Devil Rising still leading the field. Queen throwing a challenge on the outside, dropping back in third is Cool Reception as they swing to the last 450. Devil Rising still leading the field. Queen is on the outside. Cool Reception remains in thirds, moving up. Dugo's Favorite, My Exam Lady, Strike Force with the last 150 more to run. Devil Rising this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Queen with the last 75 meters more to run. Devil Rising this time by about 4 lengths, and finally Devil Rising second, Queen, then comes Super Elegant, Dugo's Favorite, and Cool Reception for your Pentapecta.